Hi, in this video we'll talk about research statistics. What is research statistics? Research statistics is a range of procedures. We are talking about organizing. Statistics talks about gathering informations or data. Research has two types. We have what we call qualitative and quantitative data. Research statistics is commonly using the quantitative research because we are talking about numbers. In statistics, we talk about gathering data and representing it through quantitative data. When we say data, these are the informations being gathered by the researchers, and with this data, it can help the researchers to produce informations and to draw conclusions after they understood the data they've gathered. Data consists of individuals and variables, and data help us to understand the informations about the individual variables. These individual variables can be person or it can be object. Variables has two types. Number one, categorical variables. When we say categorical variables, we talk about category or label. So for example, you will conduct research regarding who are the commonly persons reading the Bible. So are they male or female? Next, number two, we have quantitative variables. And these quantitative variables, we talk about numerical variables. We are going to present the variables with its measurement. For example, in conducting research, in the first label, who are the commonly persons reading the Bible? Is it male or female? Is an example of label. Now, when we consider the ages of the readers, who are those persons? What are the ages of persons that commonly read the Bible? Are they adult, commonly found in adult, or in the young people? So measures. We talk about numerical values in quantitative variables. The history of statistics. The word statistics is driven from the modern Latin term statisticum collegium, means council of state. Statistic was used in 1584, and the whole story of this history, you can read them in online. Now, statistics can be divided into two branches. The first branch of a statistic is descriptive statistics. When you say descriptive statistics, it is concerned with quantitative methods. For example, about the government, when we talk about the price of the goods, how it grows, paano ba nagmahal ang presyo ng mga bilihin sa Pilipinas. Also, next example about healthcare. How many nurses are affected by the COVID-19 in the pandemic days while they are in their job. Also in business, we can assess the performance of the company, the employees of the company, the progress of your business, what strategies more to be planned that the company or your business will grow more. Now, the second branch of statistic is what we called inferential statistic or analyzing statistic. This talk about making inferencing about populations. For example, when you conduct research and then those research is more about asking questions about a certain about populations in the Philippines, then you cannot ask all the people in the Philippines to give you the answer. So what are we going to do as a researchers? We have to get some example representative of the group that they may represent the answer as a whole. For example, nagkakandak ako ng research sa JRU. And then, instead of asking or giving the questionnaires to all student of JRU, I am going to choose representative. I'm going to choose from the senior high school, and the senior high school will be the representative of the whole student of JRU. So that's what we call inferential statistics. So kukuha lang tayo ng examples from the group. Now, what is the importance of statistics? Why we should learn statistics? It's hard to give a trial and error. But in helping with statistics application, we can use, or we can have our, but through statistics, as the informations being gathered and the informations being processed, and it is understood by the researchers, and in accordance from the data that are being collected by the researchers or the statistician, we can easily give an answer of the specific questions or problems of our research. Statistics also, it is very important to learn statistics that we may understand and we can have good decision, firm decision. Why? Because we understand the situations before we decide. So once, and if you've understand already the informations, the data that you've gathered, that being processed, you can have now wisdom what to decide and how to decide in this certain problem, and to give solution of the certain problem, because you learned it, you understood it, because you use statistical investigations. Why need to use statistics, especially in doing research? For us to be more accurate, reliable, and of course useful, because the research title, which is the problem, and through research and applying the statistical methods of understanding the informations or the problems of your research, that could be your basis to have an accuracy of your decision. You are sure of what step you are going to do, and it is very also useful for the next plan or for the next problem you will encounter in your business or in your personal life.